Hello viewers, here is a Holmes here. This is, oh dear, it's got one of those nearly invisible information tags. It is model number HFH-298, 1500 watts. Now, I recall years ago we had one like this. I don't know if it was this exact model or not, but it didn't last very long at all. And this one, at least by the looks of it, certainly seems to have quite a few hours on it. It's very, very dirty. And as you can see, it's obviously a Vornado knockoff. Nice mechanical controls, though there is a problem with this. It seems to spin freely for quite a while and then it grabs the switch, so I'm not sure what's wrong with that. This feels like it's working properly. Let's plug it up and see what happens. Now the cord is probably could fair to be replaced. Good golly, what in the world happened to that? Oh, we'll put a new plug on here. 120.8 volts. Excuse me. Alright, let's put it on to fan. It has a C-frame motor in there, which is kind of interesting. The blade hardly spins, it doesn't move much air at all. I'm not sure if that's by design or if it's just too dirty or needs to be serviced, oiled, or what. I mean, it moves air, but nothing to write home about. It's relatively quiet, at least. This would be good for by the computer. Alright, this is working. Let's go to low heat. Actually, let's take a look at the watts first. 27 watts. Right, this will be low heat. And we jumped up to a little over 1,000 watts, 1,081 watts. And relatively warm. It's a decent airflow that's coming out of there. It's not very forceful, but it's a pretty good volume of air, actually. I'm standing back about 2 feet, and it's pretty warm air coming out. That's not bad at all. Let's go to high heat. So now we're up to 1,411 watts. Only slightly warmer than it was before. It's pretty consistently warm across the entire output. I would imagine this actually works pretty well. I think that's putting out a pretty good level of BTUs. Even though it's not a forceful output, it's a very wide output. I think this is probably maybe 8 inches. Yeah, it's an 8-inch output, so it's pretty big. And we're steady at 14, 11 watts, at 14, 13, somewhere around there, 14, 14. It's going to flux a little bit as the voltage changes, which for some reason it's changing today. Cool it off. It's already cooled, that's pretty quick. And off. Spin down time in there. I think you saw it. I'll try again. It's hard to see in there, it's so dirty. Spin down time is very short. It could definitely fair to be oiled. Well, wow, I like that. I like the cedar a lot. Definitely going to use this in the shop. It's even quieter than this other one that I have on now. This Vornado one.